Okay, so this is the AI module. After logging in, you just come down here. This is the AI module. Okay, so the AI is going to take questions and answers, and also the AI can take a bunch of text. No matter how big it is, it can just take a bunch of text and it's going to read through and bring out the answer. So we just have this question. I can delete it. It's deleted. I can add other questions here and the answers added successfully. You can edit it. If you want to edit, you click here and do the edit, then update. So it is updated. So what I'm going to do is, let me delete this. I'm going to ask it, let's just say, what is Fpno? Let's just say FPN FPNO is this. For example, you are going to edit this by yourself. So once you add this, it's added. All the questions are going to be here. So it's counting how many questions you've added. Then this bunch of text is just going to be a random text about your organization. So I prepared something. I prepared this, just this as example. I think this is valid. So this cannot be empty. So you just need to paste your text there. As you can see, we have this bunch of text. You can add some more text to it and you update. So this is all about the training. This bunch of text is important. If the AI looks for the question in this question and answer and it doesn't see it, it's going to come to this context section and look for the answer of the question the user asked. If it doesn't see it here, it's going to go to Google and look for the answer, but it's not going to go deep into Google. It's just going to do it shallow. So it's not going to go deep into Google. So for example, for now, your database is not using these questions you are going to put in. It's not using it because we don't have any questions here. For now, your database is using this. So you can see it's just the same thing, but this is not FPNO website. This is the test database I was using for the chatbot only. So you can see I have up to 94 questions which I randomly inputted. You can see so many of them. Can I combine WIAC this, and I give the answer. So this is what the chatbot is picking from currently, and the context. The context is what I just updated on the main. What you're going to see, this is it, is the same context. So you can see here from this context, if I decide to ask it something like maybe this, somebody a user ask it something similar to this, it's going to give you, it's going to read through and give you answers from this. So let's try it. Go to the website, ask it something, let's just say list of courses offered at Federal Polytechnic naked there. Let's ask this. So you can see it brought out what we had in the context. It's not bringing out everything, but it's going to read through and know what you're asking for is this. So it's going to bring it for you. If you ask it any of these questions in your frequently asked question and answers, it's definitely going to give you an answer. Your matriculation number is issued after payment. How do I get my matriculation number? So you can see. So it doesn't mean you must ask it the same as it is. You can just ask it the way you want to ask. So you see, I remove matriculation number, it still gave you this. So long as it's very similar to it. Maybe I can remove this, get my matriculation number. So long as it's very similar to this, it's still going to tell you, okay, you are trying to say this, you are trying to talk about this. So it's going to give you that answer. So if it doesn't see the answer from frequently asked questions, as I mentioned before, it's going to jump to the context and look for the answer there. So we just have to stock it with questions and answers. Okay, that is all for now.